In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use AI technology to automatically create optimized video titles that are designed to rank on YouTube and Google. It's no longer that simple just to upload a video and kind of expect fantastic results. In fact, what you actually need to do, you need to optimize your videos a certain way. And one of the key elements of making sure that you get a video ranking or showing up to your potential audiences is ensuring that the title is in fact optimized for search engines. Where most people go wrong is they create a title that's either far too human friendly or far too Google or YouTube friendly. So in one way it reads really well for the audience, but because it's not optimized for Google or YouTube, it doesn't actually show in the rankings. Or on the other hand, it's perfectly optimized for Google or YouTube, but it does not read very well for people, which means that they're not going to click on the video. So I'm going to show you the exact tool that I've been using to get the perfect balance. Now, just before we do that, if at any point in the video you say, hey, this is actually some really cool software, I want it, make sure you visit trialjarvis.com, because when you do that, you're going to be able to claim 10,000 free credits, which means that you don't need to spend a penny until you are 100% sure that this software is the software for you. Okay, so make sure you head over to trialjarvis.com and claim your 10,000 free credits, which is more than enough to help you determine, is this for you? Okay, so here I am in the back end of my members area. I'm going to go ahead and go to the search bar, and I'm simply going to type in video. Okay, and now this shows all of the templates that this software currently offers for video. So you can see video topic ideas, script outlines, video titles, etc, etc. I want the video titles, and the description even says create engaging, click-worthy titles for your videos that will rank on YouTube. Okay, and usually when something ranks well on YouTube, it's going to rank fairly decent on Google as well, because guess what, Google owns YouTube, and you know, Google are pushing videos at the moment, so you know, there's a lot of change in the SEO industry. So yeah, let's go ahead and do video titles. And now you're presented with three fields. So the fields are: what is the video about, keyword to rank for, and tone of voice. Okay, so the better the information you feed into the software, the better the outputs are going to be. So for what is the video about, well, let's just say how to build a WordPress website. Okay, and then the keyword to rank for, well, let's say I want to rank for WordPress website. And then the tone of voice. Now there's loads of tones of voices, and these are just a few of some of the ones that they offer, but let's go ahead and do excited. Okay, let's go over here and just type in excited, and then you say to the software, hey, how many times do I want you to generate different titles? Well, let's just start off with 10 outputs and then go ahead and do generate AI content. Okay, so usually you don't need to do as many as 10, but I just really wanted to show you quite a lot of variety with what's going on here. Okay, so as you can see in one output, it's generated me 4 different video titles. So let's just have a look at, let me read you out a few. So start your WordPress website today, 20-minute working day every day, get done quicker. Complete WordPress tutorial for beginner 2020, how to create a professional and money-making WordPress website with no coding knowledge. 10 best plugins for WordPress in 2019. Now, you don't always think, now sometimes you're like, I might use 1 or 2 of these. In this particular output, I would actually use 3 of them and leave 1 out. And to be honest, that's now 3 video titles I can use. Next is build a website for free with WordPress, how to build your own website on WordPress tutorial, newbie guide to creating your own website in 10 minutes, WordPress tutorial, how you can make a website with simply headings and no visual design skills, rank my site. So again, I would use another 3, so now I have 6 video titles. Okay, so as you can see, there's just loads of video titles that it's saying, hey, you know, if you make these your titles, there's going to be a strong chance that you'll get rankings, and also, you know, it's a nice balance between Google and YouTube, as well as the human side to creating titles. As you can see, this software has got so much untapped potential. You know, you can literally feed the information and within seconds have more video titles than you can actually handle. Anyway, with that being said, we have come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.